This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 306 RKDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps aid, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, external shower, oven, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, water heater, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 306 RKDS is 8,413 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.